The Biden administration just announced that it's giving up to 500,000 undocumented immigrants a green card. Let's talk about it. I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal, a national immigration law firm that helps immigrants all over the world live and work in the United States. If you're interested in learning more about me and my law firm and how I can help you on your immigration journey, visit brazenlegal.com. Or if you're ready to get started, give my office a call at 508 942 7497 to book your consultation today. So, the last couple of weeks, there have been rumors swirling around saying that the Biden administration was getting ready to announce something big in immigration, and the speculation was that it was going to expand upon a program that it has called the Parole in Place. And so the official announcement was made today. So, in this video, I want to spend some time going over with you what the eligibility process requirements look like so that you know what to expect and when you can start applying for this program if you qualify. And so, as with everything in immigration, it's going to be approved on a case by case basis. But first, you have to have been present in the United States and you have to be here without admission or parole, which basically means you entered the United States undocumented and you were not later given an I-94. Next, you have to have been continuously present in the United States for at least 10 years as of June 17th, 2024. And you also have to be legally married to a U.S. citizen as of June 17th, 2024. Additionally, you can't have any disqualifying criminal history, so no major criminal issues. You can't be a threat to national security or public safety. And you also have to otherwise merit a favorable exercise of discretion, because as we know, everything in immigration is discretionary. If you have any children, they are also eligible for this program, and the Biden administration estimates that up to 50,000 children may be qualified for this expanded parole in place. And so the non citizen children may be able to apply for this program if they have a qualifying relationship with their U.S. citizen step parent. And typically, in order for you to have a valid stepchild step parent relationship, the marriage between the U.S. citizen and the non citizen immigrant has to have occurred before that child turned 18. And so if that is the case, then your child would be able to apply as well. And so I really want to take a quick moment just to go through what the parole in place process is, what you can expect, and what that looks like. So typically, or in the past rather, we have a program called military parole in place. And that is for certain family members of people who are in the military or are currently in the military. They are able to apply for something called parole in place. And what happens with parole in place is that you are given parole in your place or in the United States. So it's as if you entered the United States legally, even though you never left to come back legally. And so, what that process looks like is you would apply for parole in place, and that process can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. And then, once you get that parole document, which you will have to pick up at your local USCIS office, you're then able to file that green card application. And so, the process is relatively straightforward. If you are currently or were in removal proceedings, you definitely are going to want to work with an attorney because generally you cannot adjust your status through USCIS if you have an unresolved immigration case. So if you've ever been in deportation proceedings, if you currently are in deportation proceedings, if you know that you have a date coming up with an immigration judge, you definitely want to work with an immigration attorney who has that experience to make your case a little bit more smooth. I am so excited about this program. It's going to open up the opportunity for a lot of people to get green cards. And also, once you get that parole document, you have 3 years from that time to file the green card application. So you do have a little bit of time, but as with everything else, time is always of the essence with these things. We don't know yet if, the Republicans may try to block this. We don't yet know what's going to happen this year with the election. So this is one of those things where It's available now. Time is definitely of the essence. You want to make sure that if you're eligible for this today, that you hop on it today before it gets enjoined or anything comes between this opportunity and you. I hope you found this video super helpful. Please share it with anybody that you know could benefit. If you want to learn more about me and my law firm, if you're interested in working with me, you can visit brazenlegal.com to book your consultation. You can also give my office a call at 508 942 7497. Thank you so much for watching.